it's me Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a roasted eggplant salad. All you're going to need to make this is some dried pomegranate, olives, pepper, eggplant, tomato, lime, onion, garlic, vinegar, olive oil, any spices. I have salt, cumin, and paprika, a mixing bowl, and mixing utensils. So let's get started. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to chop your vegetables and put them in a bowl. Next, you're going to want to roast your eggplant, peel it, and add on it lime so it doesn't turn black or brown. We're going to combine everything together. I already have my roasted eggplant in the bowl. I'm going to add in all of my delicious vegetables. Next, I'm going to be adding my garlic. Next, I'm going to be adding my olives. And next, I'm going to be adding my pomegranate. Season to taste however you like. Now we're going to be adding our olive oil. Then I'm going to do my apple cider vinegar. Now it's time to toss it around. This looks so good. It's a healthy and very light lunch. You can also add chili if you wish, but I don't really love the spice, so I'm not going to be adding it. This is very light and healthy for your stomach, and also you can store it in your fridge for the next day, and you can also have that as your salad. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe,